Welcome to this amazing hosting a discount coupon code video. In this video, I'm going to tell you that this is the best time of the year to get an amazing discount from Hostinger, because right now the Hostinger Black Friday deals are running right now. Plus, I will give you two of the finest coupon discount codes through which you can get additional discount on already running discount code. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see as much as 85% off. But with this coupon code, you're going to get 10% additional on already running 85% deals, making it as much as up to 95% off discount when you click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount. So if you scroll below, you may see that Hostinger has amazing Trustpilot reviews. If you click on the Trustpilot reviews, you may be surprised to see that they got amazing reviews with 55,000 people claiming they got 4.7 rating. Almost everyone says that they got very good rating. Everyone praises them for their services, and the amazing support performance is very good. And the best thing is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. And with Hostinger is one of the WordPress specialists. Hostinger also have their AI program with the name of Hostinger Horizons, and right now 4 million plus people using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. And even I'm using it from the last 4 years on my own blog. 150 plus countries served, 20 plus of experience, 10 million plus websites created, AI powered support, so many features, functions, business plan, marketing plan, so many things. And right now the Black Friday deals are running right now, so grab them. So you can grab them by scrolling down or simply select the claim deal, and you will move over here, and you can see that you are getting as much as up to 85% off on both these plans and 73% cloud setup. Plus, if you click on the link in the description, you're going to get as much as up to 95% discount. So make sure to click on the link in the description and do your research on all of the plans and simply select the choose plan with any plan after doing your thorough research to get as much as up to 95% discount. So once you select the choose plan, now you will be redirected to another page, and you can see the special Black Friday deals, especially valid on 48 months. So my recommendation is to offer 48 months billing period, but Hostinger also offer you 24, 12 and 1 month billing period plans as well. But guys, these are one-time special exclusive discount prices. These prices won't appear again, so grab them out by selecting for 48 months. And the best thing is cancel anytime. All of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. You can see your order summary over here, and now select to have a coupon code and write this amazing discount code, which you can find in the description of this video along with a special discount link. And once you apply over here, you're going to see that your price got a further discount. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount at Hostinger. So use either of the coupon code, and you're going to see that your price got a further 10% discount. And you can see 48 months, originally $621 at $84, 3 extra months or 2 extra months. Sometimes it's say 2s, sometimes it's say 3s, but grab this out because it's valid in 48 months. Free domain name, free setup, and you can claim your free domain by writing over here or do later on as well. For instance, if I wanted, just giving you as an example, again, do your research before buying a good domain. You're gonna getting it free for the first year, so simply select over here and grab this totally free with the special discount link. If you click on the link in the description, and you can see your 30 days money back guarantee is valid over here. Now simply select the continue over here and grab this amazing discount, guys. This is the right time of the year to grab this amazing discount. So you can see your order summary over here. I'm going to show you over here, and you can see now you can see your discount valid over here, all of these things. Now write your billing details over here and simply select the continue and move on to the last part, and that is selecting your payment methods. Now the good thing regarding Hostinger is they offer you variety of payment methods. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose, and this is what I like about Hostinger, is that you're getting variety of payment methods to choose. So simply select any payment method, and once you do your payment, for instance, if you're paying with a credit card, simply select the submit button, a payment after doing it. Within few minutes, you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your hosting account details and how you can access your latest hosting. So just for a revision, click on the link in the description and use either of the discount coupon code to get this amazing discount. And guys, this is the right time of the year because the Black Friday deals are running right now. And if you click on the link in the description and follow my tutorial, you can get as much as up to 95% off with Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.